Good morning, everyone, and I'm Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor at Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Engineering College, Jhalawad, and I'm taking Computer Networks. And we were discussing the first unit, that is queuing theory, and after discussing the various Markovian models like MM1, MM infinity, now we are discussing MMMQ, which is basically a multi-server infinite queue. So it is a special case of MM infinity model where the servers are limited to M numbers. So you can see in different books, different type of notations can be given for this queue. For examples, in some of the books it is given like as MMC model, where M is your Markovian chains that is used to predict your basically arrival and departure timings, and the number of servers are given by C. Instead of M, it is given by C. And in some cases it is given like, in some books it can be given like S, where similarly the number of servers are not infinite. Instead of infinite, there is some number. The number can be C, can be represented as C, S or M, as in our case. Alright, so it is limited to M numbers. It describes a system where arrival from a single queue and governed by a Poisson process. There are M servers and job service times are exponentially distributed. Okay, like the way we said, it is a Markovian's chain. MMM is a stochastic process whose state space set 0, 1, 2 corresponds to the number of customers in the system. System space is given as follows. Okay, for you can see these are the system space. This 0, 1, 2, M minus 1 and M plus 1, these are basically various state space where it tells that the number of person in a system or number of customers in a system when 0 customers are there, 1, 2, or it is up to M or M plus 1, or M plus 1 or M minus 1, like that. Alright, so they are moving to the next state by this lambda, and they are coming back to the state, means departure, and the service basically the service time is mu. So if you see in the case of MM infinity key, we have infinite number of servers. So this part of state diagram we do not consider in the previous case, while in the case of this MM and small m, where the number of servers are fixed, we have taken these states of M, M plus 1 and like that. Okay, moving on to the next. So what should be the change? The change should be like lambda p n minus 1 is n mu p n. Okay, n mu p n for the case where your M means your servers are more than the number of services. You can take this by an example. For example, means how you have written this is, suppose in this case, suppose we have 4 servers here. Suppose these are 4 servers here. M is 4 means your servers are 4, and 2 people have come and 2 people have joined the line. So first they are being served by these servers. ये servers खाली थे तो उन्होंने they take their place and service has been done. So service has been given to 2. Okay, in this case. So although we have more number of servers, always we take the number which is lesser number only we will consider. So here service is given to 2, while if you have only 2 servers and you have more number of people in the queue, then also you can provide service only to 2. The rest of the 2 are in queue, are in waiting queue basically. So in this case, your number in the system are more than your servers, and the service is given is provided to the one which is less. जो भी कम होगा, या तो सर्वर कम होंगे तो उसको कंसिडर करेंगे हम लोग सर्विस के लिए, और अगर आपके नंबर ऑफ द पर्सन्स कम है basically which one is less, we'll consider that. Okay, so n is the number of customers in the system and m is number of servers, you can see here. Okay, so by using the above equation and balance equation and applying steady state equations, basically this is what we have done in our first case, MM1 वाले केस में जब हमने balance equations लिखी थी and steady state जब हम लोग apply करेंगे, then we can find in this case the probability Pn or number of person in a system at time t is given by something like this: P0 m rho n factorial for n less than equals to m, and like this. There is one more thing to note here is, in some of the books this expression is little bit changed. These two expressions are little bit changed. There they have considered rho as your lambda by mu, but in our case we have considered our rho as lambda upon m mu, which is less than 1 for basically infinite number of q. But this condition is we are considering rho as lambda upon m minus mu. जो बाकी बुक्स में आपको जो एक्सप्रेशन अलग मिलेगा, प्लीज़ डू नॉट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड विद दैट कि कौन सा वाला सही है. उस केस के अंदर जो हमारे रो की वैल्यू है, रो वी हैव टेकन लैम्डा बाय म्यू. ओके, so these will change according to which one is greater. Okay, so we calculate P0, the probability of the 0th person in the system. By using this condition, the sum of probability is equivalent to unity, and then we find we'll have this final expression here. So again this expression can be different according to the books. Again जिसमें रो की वैल्यू अलग कंसिडर की हुई है and nothing different. So there are a few more points to note that the probability that an arrival will find all the servers busy and will be forced to wait in a queue is an important performance measure for MMM system. So ये वाली condition है when you have more number of people and all the servers are busy. Basically there are 2 servers और दोनों servers अगर busy हैं तो उस केस में क्या है, द अदर पर्सन हैज़ टू वेट, दे आर फोर्स टू वेट. ओके, वेयर एज जब इनफाइनाइट सर्वर्स थे हमारे पास, उस केस में देर इज़ नो वेटिंग, ऑल द एक्शंस आर इमीडिएट, बट हेयर दे हैव टू वेट. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ बेसिक परफॉर्मेंस मेजर फॉर योर MMM सिस्टम सिंस एन अराइविंग कस्टमर फाइंड्स द सिस्टम इन टिपिकल स्टेट. So the probability of the queuing is given by this formula: P0 m rho raised to the power m factorial multiply 1 minus rho. Okay, so you can replace this thing, this whole thing you can replace by PC, where PC is given by something like this, and 1 minus rho. So this basically formula, the probability of the queuing कि जो भी other customer that is coming to the system has to wait for the servers to get free. So this is the probability basically, and this is known as Erlang's C formula or Erlang delay probability. Basically ये टेलीफोनी में यूज़ किया जाता था when you used to have very big circuits for the connection of the lines. तो if the line is busy and other person is requesting, तो कितना आपको wait करना पड़ेगा for the line to get connected, for the circuit to get connected. So this is given by a very famous scientist, Erlang. So this probability is given after his name, Erlang delay probability. Okay, so this is MMM Q, the special case for your MM infinity or MM1 Q. Okay, thank you.